Get ready to celebrate sewing like never before with the Go Sewing Machine die. This applique die features 7 fun and unique shapes that work together to build a delightful sewing machine that is perfect for adding to all kinds of projects. You can cut up to 4 pre-fused machines with all their parts in just one pass through any Go cutter. Your little sewing machine will measure 7 inches wide and 6 1/8 inches high. This die is perfect for so many projects. How about adding it to a sewing machine cover or even a shirt or denim jacket? The sky's the limit for all the clever projects you'll soon be stitching up with this die. When it comes time to finish off your shapes, AccuQuilt offers free, downloadable outline embroidery with your choice of satin, blanket, or motif stitches. Or simply finish the edges with your sewing machine. We know you'll be stitching up dozens of different projects with the Go Sewing Machine die because at AccuQuilt we help you cut time so you can quilt and embroider even more.